Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up our Google Chrome web browser. Then once we're here, we want to click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and then click into history. And then click onto history again. And now once we're here, we need to click on delete browsing data. And then make sure time range is set to all time, uncheck browsing history, check cookies and other site data, check cached image and files, and then go ahead and click on delete data. Once you've done that, we want to go and open up ChatGPT. Once we're over at ChatGPT, we can click on the view site information next to ChatGPT and click into cookies and site data. And then want to click on manage on device site data, and then everything that appears here, just go ahead and delete like so, then click done. Then from here, go back to ChatGPT, click onto site settings. Now you want to go ahead and clear delete data under usage, click delete. Then we want to reset permissions like so. The next step is to close out of that, click on search, type in CMD command prompt and run as administrator and click yes. And then here we want to type in ipconfig enter /flush DNS. So I'll go ahead and jot that in now. All right, so ipconfig space flush DNS, then hit enter. And then from here we want to type in NET SH space win sock space reset, then hit enter. And then we need to type in NET SH space INT space IP space reset, then hit enter. Then from the last step, exit out of that, click on search and then type in network reset. In system settings, click onto that. Then from here, go ahead and click on reset now and then say, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Click yes. Then from there, it's going to reset your computer within 5 minutes, or you can manually reset your computer, and that should fix your ChatGPT unable to upload file problems.